Good morning, Kev. I hope you're having a great day. So in regards to your question about how do you start one funnel immediately after a different funnel and put all of those contacts into the start of one after they finish one. And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's fairly straightforward. So I have funnel A and I have funnel B here, and I want to start funnel B when someone finishes funnel A. So what we're going to do is we are going to open up funnel A. And it just has a couple of steps in here. It has new user and then apply a tag. Your funnel will probably be longer than this one. But basically, the last step of the funnel, you're going to want to click the little plus button and then go to actions and then click add tag or apply tag rather, which is what I already have here. And basically, you're just going to create a new tag called start funnel B. It can be, that doesn't have to be start funnel B. It can be any tag. The tag name doesn't really matter. But so start funnel B, remember the name of that tag. We're going to update that. There we go. Then we are going to go back and we are going to open funnel B. And then we are going to add a new step. This time we're going to add a benchmark. We are going to use the tag applied benchmark. And then we are going to choose that same tag. So start funnel B. And now this funnel will start whenever anyone receives that tag. So at the end of your first funnel, funnel A, so I guess your lead magnet download funnel, anyone who hasn't done anything at that point will receive this tag and then go into your nurture sequence. So that is how you start one funnel from another. I hope that answers your question. Thanks, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.